Hello dear students. In this video we will talk about cell membrane. Cell membrane is also known as plasma membrane or biomembrane. Biomembrane means it is living. Now the cell membrane or plasma membrane or biomembrane, it is made up of protein and phospholipids. And it have a specific quality which is known as selectively permeable. All types of plasma membrane or cell membranes are selectively permeable. Now, what is the meaning of selectively permeable and what is difference between semi-permeable and selectively permeable? Question is that arise. One question always arise from this part of the plasma membrane. Why plasma membrane is known as selectively permeable membrane? So here we have explanation and as well as answer also. Suppose this is a plasma membrane or cell membrane. This plasma membrane is porous. Porous means it have got different types of pores. This is the inner side of the plasma membrane. This is the outer side of the plasma membrane. We know that this is porous. It means they have got different types of pores. These pores have tendency, they always give order to pass those types of substances from outside which can easily transfer from these pores. यानी ये जो पोर होते हैं इनसे इन्हीं पोर के बराबर जितने बड़े सब्सटेंस जो होते हैं वो इनसे बिना रोक टोक के यहाँ से पास आउट हो सकते हैं. This types of tendency of the plasma membrane is known as semi-permeable membrane. If the particles are big compared to these pores, अगर इस pore से particle ज़्यादा बड़े हैं just like this, they are not able to penetrate the plasma membrane. यानी plasma membranes के पार नहीं जा सकते. So this type of quality of the plasma membrane is known as semi-permeable membrane. Now, selectively permeable membrane. Selectively permeable membrane means when particles enters according to the need and the requirement of the plasma membrane. यानी प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन को जब जिन पार्टिकल्स की ज़रूरत होगी वो उनको ही इन यानी कि अंदर आने देगी, रेस्ट ऑफ अदर जो होंगे वो बाहर ही रहेंगे. इस तरह की जो उसकी क्वालिटी होती है, दिस इज नोन एज सेलेक्टिवली परमिएबल क्वालिटी. दिस इज लिटिल बिट डिफरेंस बिटवीन द सेमी परमिएबल एंड सेलेक्टिवली परमिएबल. नाउ द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ द प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन. First of all, selectively permeable. It means it allows the water and the fat soluble molecules come in. Second, it show variable protein and phospholipid ratio. यानी जितनी भी प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन होती हैं उसमें प्रोटीन और फॉस्फोलिपिड का जो रेशियो होता है वो वेरिएबल होता है, उनमें अंतर हो सकता है. नाउ ऑल टाइप्स ऑफ प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन और सेल मेम्ब्रेन्स आर डायनामिक मेम्ब्रेन. डायनामिक मेम्ब्रेन मीन्स दे शो डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ वेरिएशंस, उनमें बहुत ज़्यादा अंतर होता है. विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस डायग्रामेटिक रिप्रेजेंटेशन वी विल डिस्कस द एक्चुअल where the actual plasma membrane or cell membrane is found. Here we have a beaker and beaker is full of dilute hydrochloric acid. And whenever we dip a egg into it, we know that egg's outer cover is made up of calcium carbonate CaCO3. After some time, HCl hydrochloric acid, dilute hydrochloric acid dissolve the outer cover of the egg which is made by calcium carbonate. But after some time we find that there is a thin layer is present now the outer side of the egg which is known as plasma membrane. This is the plasma membrane. बॉयल एग अगर आपने खाया होगा तो उसमें जब भी आप आउटर कवर कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट का निकालते हैं तो उसके बाहर आपको एक थिन लेयर मिलती है. दिस इज नोन एज प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन. नाउ आफ्टर दैट there is a model. Remember it? There is a model. Which model is suggested or proposed by a scientist whose name was Daniel and Dawson. Daniel and Dawson नाम के साइंटिस्ट ने एक मॉडल रिप्रेजेंट करा लोगों के सामने प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन से रिलेटेड. विच मॉडल्स नेम वाज सैंडविच मॉडल. व्हाट द मीनिंग ऑफ सैंडविच मॉडल वी विल डिस्कस आफ्टरवर्ड्स. These both scientists, Daniel and Dawson, they give some specific points related to the plasma membranes. What are these points? First, PM, plasma membrane is made up of protein and phospholipids. प्रोटीन्स आर अल्फा ग्लोबुलर प्रोटीन्स. जिस प्रोटीन से प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन बनी रहती है वो अल्फा ग्लोबुलर प्रोटीन्स कहलाते हैं एंड दे आर स्पेरिकल इन शेप जस्ट लाइक दिस. थर्ड पॉइंट proposed by them, phospholipid molecules are amphipathic. It means these phospholipid molecules are look just like this. This is the head part. Head part is known as glycerol head. These both are known as tail part. Tail part is known as fatty acid chain. These both tail parts on a fatty acid chain. Apart from that, the phosphate is present here. So this whole molecule is known as phospholipid molecule. This particular head part, which is known as glycerol head, it is hydrophilic. Hydrophilic means it is water living. And this tail part or the fatty acid chain part is known as water rippling or hydrophobic part. So in the case of phospholipid molecule, these both hydrophilic and hydrophobic parts are found. This type of quality is if it is present in the phospholipid molecule, then these types of phospholipid molecules are known as amphipathic. ये phospholipid molecules क्या कहलाते हैं आपके? Amphipathic कहलाते हैं. Now the fourth point. Fourth point is known as phospholipids are arranged in the bilayer. Phospholipid जो होते हैं वो bilayer में arrange रहते हैं. In such a manner that tails face each other. यानी ये ऐसे अरेंज रहते हैं जिनमें क्या होती हैं, टेल्स एक दूसरे को क्या करती हैं, फेस करती हुई मिलती हैं. Just like this. These tails are face to each other. Now fifth point, proteins are on either side of the phospholipid bilayer. जो प्रोटीन्स होते हैं वो फॉस्फोलिपिड्स की जो हेड लाइक स्ट्रक्चर होता है उसके क्या होते हैं, बाहर साइड पर स्टेब्लिश रहते हैं. These are. So here we have the diagrammatic representation of the plasma membrane. We know that these all types of head, they are known as glycerol